Hello friends, let us take a look at this question. So it says that a helicopter is moving to the right at a constant horizontal velocity, okay, and it experiences three forces. One is Fg, then one is F drag, and that's the force due to the air friction, right? And the force that is caused by the rotor, that is Fr. Then which of the following diagrams represents the forces on the helicopter? Okay, so first of all, okay, let us make an FBD of this, okay, and let us see how it will really be. So suppose if this is our helicopter, okay, suppose this is our helicopter, okay, and it is moving in the horizontal direction like this. Then, okay, what are the forces that are acting on this helicopter? Okay, can we mark all the forces? Let's quickly do that. So one force will be in the downward direction, that is force of gravitational force, right, Fg, which is equal to m into g. Fine. Then now since it is moving, okay, and because there is air, okay, there will be a backward force, okay, in this direction, okay, which will be F drag, FDL, right? Okay, so this force is acting in the opposite direction in which the helicopter is moving, okay. So that is because of the air friction, FD. Now the third force is force caused by rotor, Fr. So first of all, please notice, okay, what the question says, that it is moving with constant horizontal velocity. So if it is moving with constant horizontal velocity, that means that all the forces that are acting on this helicopter, okay, all the forces are balanced, okay. So if all the forces are balanced, okay, that means that if we have two forces, Fd and Fg, currently we have Fd and Fg, right? So what is the resultant of these two forces? So if I mark the resultant of these two forces, okay, it will be something like this, right? In this direction you will have your resultant, okay. There are two vectors, right? And if you solve the two vectors, okay, you are going to get this as the resultant force. Now since all the forces are balanced, so what will happen? An opposite force, okay, an equal and opposite force should be acting in the direction opposite to r. So basically this will be the direction of your rotor, Fr, okay. So it is acting in the opposite direction to the resultant force produced by Fd and Fg. So basically our diagram becomes something like this. Let me make it a little clean, okay. So this was the resultant force of Fd and Fg, right? So if I remove this resultant, okay, which we had taken for our convenience, this is going to be the actual forces that are acting on this helicopter. So if you look at the options, okay, the first option itself is the correct one. So Fd is here, Fg is here, and Fr is acting in this direction. Now this of course is wrong, okay, because all three forces, right, they are in the same direction. So there will be a resultant force, okay, R, which will be acting. So anyway, this B option is definitely wrong, okay. And if you see, C option has a pseudo force Ma also acting in this direction, but we don't have to include any pseudo force in this question, right, because that includes when the frame of reference is there. So that all we don't have to include, okay, while calculating this. So this is going to be, okay, our final FBD for this question. Thanks for watching.